Okay, you took idea, we are finished of mountains, okay? You took idea of how mountains happening, tectonic plate movement and anchoring, submersion, diversion, transform. You understood everything now. We will speak now another thing. Just before Sodom and Gomorrah, we saw three things happening: fault line, a shout, and big stones. Here speaking something else. We sent on them blast from the sky. We shouted on them, and they were like fragments of pen. What kind of a shout is this? There is a people, a Thamud people. It's a big civilization, very big Thamud people. It's not written in the history. We will speak in our religious group. This Thamud people was the biggest barbarian people before the Sumerians. It's not registered, and they disappeared, these people. God is telling, I sent on them one shout, and they were like pencils, dead. What is this? A shout. In our religious group, we will speak about these people, because history doesn't know about them. But somebody wrote something small, the Thamud people. They were they could have ruled the world. But God said, I sent one shout, and they were twigs, like twigs they were dead. We will see what is this shout. This is very important. In 100 years ago, 1908 date, something happened in a remote area in Russia. Something mysterious happened. Look what happened. Watch this video. Look what happened. All the trees, 80 million trees, they were like twigs. Look, this video, you know why they took it? After 30 years, because there in Tunguska, there is no roads, and nobody goes there. The Russian government doesn't know. It was busy with the First World War. And they go this area after 30 years. Look, this is the video after 30 years. You see the trees? 80 million trees dead like this. It's not burned. This is a shout. Okay, a meteorite came, but it didn't hit the earth. It exploded in the sky, like 15 atomic bombs. This is after 70, 80 years. There is nothing. It was like Amazon before. If you open in the internet Tunguska, you will know about it. If the meteorite, it came late 2 hours, it will hit Russia or Berlin, and it changed the face of history. But you see the trees? Trees was like twigs in the ground, not burned, under. one shout. What kind of a shout is this? Look, this is the rings on a tree. It's 1908. They came after 30 years. They knew the date. Okay, we will analyze this. What is this? What is this? You remember in Russia also, Chelyabinsk, something small happened. 10-meter diameter meteorite exploded in the sky. 10 meter, yani, like this. Okay, look what happened. 10 meter. You remember this or you don't know about it? This has happened 2 years ago. You see, this is a shout. This is a ball, small, 10 meter, and it's the equivalent of one atomic bomb. And you saw the picture before, it was bigger, and the trees like twigs. Look, another video, basically without sound. It passed by. 10 meter, huh? This is 10 meter. They are very far here. In the office, look. From the sound, it's thrown away. They are far also, very far. It's a shout. Okay. We will watch something else. The same thing happened. Chelyabinsk in Russia. This is the place where it happened. 10 meter. A meteorite exploded in the air blast, they tell it. 10 meter. Oh, it catastrophe, man. In the sky it exploded. It's a shout. Look, it's coming. This is 10 meter. Okay. Now you took idea what's a shout. This is a shout. When shout, yani, if it's 100 meter, one shout, 3 countries are gone without burning, yani, like twigs, like the trees. It's correct. Now we will speak something astrological first, so that when I speak something, you understand the rest of it. The star we want to watch now, this is, it's in my opinion, this is, will bring the end of the earth, according to the religion. It's my idea, conclusion. This is a star, Wolf-Rayet, its name, 104. It's a binary star, 2 stars spinning a death dance. Turning like this, they will combine and explode. And they pointing against our solar system. Not our Earth, or the solar system, it will burn. Maybe it had exploded. The light is coming. Because the explosion of this star comes at light speed. We don't see. We see and we are dead. Look, I think this will bring the end of the earth. The prophets spoke about. Wolf-Rayet, they are certain.
beautiful spiral of Wolf-Rayet 104 is suddenly a messenger of doom.
This is a messenger of doom. It's scientifically proven.
Some 8,000 light years from Earth, two stars
8,000 years far. يعني it's very
in
near.
a gravitational dance. Their stellar
Two stars spinning together, they will combine. When combined, supernova happen. And they are pointing at, يعني the gun is pointing at us, like this.
winds ejecting a vast cloud of dust in a graceful spiral. But there's more to this star couple than just a beautiful tail.
It's pointing like this against our Earth. Maybe it exploded. We don't know because the explosion travels near light speed. This is, I think, the prophets that spoke about.
The larger of the two, Wolf-Rayet 104, is a massive Death Star on the verge of exploding as a supernova. That much is certain. The real mystery is, will it also unleash a gamma ray burst?
Of course it
Or
will.
be the most powerful burst of energy in the universe? The question is an important one for all on Earth, especially considering the star's axis may be pointing directly at us.
That means that when it blows up, if it becomes a gamma ray burst,
This is the best scientist in the world, this man.
the jet could be pointing straight at us.
WR-104 is counting down to destruction.
Look what's strange. Yesterday we spoke in our religious group about the astrology where it occurred in Babylon. They knew about astrology. The angel told Hammurabi about the angels because from the heavens. Look the chance. The star, the Death Star, is in the constellation Sagittarius, يعني the archer. The archer is pointing at us. The archer, and he's pointing at us.
In the constellation Sagittarius, named by Roman astrologers over 2,000 years ago, Sagittarius is Latin for the archer.
And you have to ask, maybe with the ancients on something, is there something to do with the archer aiming at us?
WR-104 can be thought of as an arrow pointing our way, if indeed it blows up as a gamma ray burst.
There is little dispute among today's astronomers that a tightly focused beam from a gamma ray burst will travel vast distances in space.
We are finished. We are finished. We are dead, but nobody knows. It's coming.